Hi guys. Today I am going to fix my vacuum cleaner. So it stopped sucking up dirt, and the I thought it was because this was full, which it really was packed full. So I emptied that out and tried to use it again, but it still was not sucking up any dirt. It was just kind of flinging it around on my carpet. So what I'm doing now is I have turned it upside down and I'm going to remove this thing, which I've already taken the screws out. Generally, you can see where their screw holes are. So there are 5 of them. So I took those off and now I'm just going to pop this off. Usually these just either pop right off pretty easily once you take all the screws out. Okay. So take that off. Okay, so here we have this roller part with the little brushes on it, and it is a little bit dirty. I did clean this off the other day. It was pretty gunked up with stuff, and I found that the easiest way to do it is just to like grab some scissors and try to slide up under the stuff that's gotten rolled under it, and then just kind of cut it. Sometimes you can go from the top and cut them. This is just how I do it, but once you get a good portion of it cut, you can just kind of pull it off that way. So I'll do some more cleaning on this, but this is not the piece that I'm interested in right now. This is not really the part that is preventing stuff from getting sucked up into the basin or the bin or whatever that's called, the tank. So what I'll do, and these normally, you see they just sit in those grooves there. Let's see, we get that. Yeah, they just sit in the grooves. So this normally will just pop right on out, like easily. And you see that the belt here, which if the belt was broken, I would be able to see that. This belt is fine. So it just easily removes, and see how it's just sort of sitting right here. So replacing the belt usually is no issue either. But that's not the problem here. Get some of that garbage out there. I guess I have a dog, so we get lots of hair stuck in here. But okay, let's go ahead and take this out, and I'll clean this later, because this isn't the problem that I'm looking for. But there it is. That's the reason why I'm not getting any dirt. This is literally, I don't know if you, yeah, it's very packed. It's hard for me to even, and there's something hard in there. Let's see if I can pull this out. Okay, there's some of it. Candy wrappers, yep, candy wrappers will get in there too. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh goodness. Ah, the actual culprit. Not really the wrapper, but look what we got stuck in there. This is actually a Connect 4 piece, but little checker pieces, well, if they get sucked up in there that well. I actually think I remember when this happened, my son was vacuuming and I heard a loud noise, something just clanging, 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 and then he stopped it. And next time I tried to vacuum, I couldn't vacuum, but apparently that's what was in there. All right, let's see. I'll take another gander in there and see. Yeah, everything, it looks pretty clear now. Yep, I can see the light coming, the light coming through the end right here. This is the end of that one. But, all right, so I think that this is going to do it. I'll just go ahead and get that out. I'm going to go ahead and clean this off a bit. All right, I'm gonna need 2 hands. So Alright, so I've cleaned, I thought I started the video back, but I've cleaned this roller ball, the roller thing. I've put this back in. Let me show you this. Literally, you just put it back on the belt and then snap it back into here. Yeah. Then just pop this back on. Okay, so we'll put that back in place, and I will go ahead and screw the screws back in. I need 2 hands to do that, so I'll be right back with you. Alright, now that it's all back together, I'm going to go ahead and put that piece back on. That's the attachment piece that goes there for the floor. Okay, let's go ahead and plug it back in, give it a test. Let's see. Alright, don't judge. Yes, my floor is dirty. That's why I'm vacuuming. Oh yeah, I got a nice big pile of stuff there. Let's see if the vacuum works now. Okay. Well, she's fixed. Job well done.